If your needle keeps breaking when sewing leather, you are making one of these mistakes. In this video, I will share practical tips and tricks for sewing leather to help you achieve a neat and professional result. If you want to sew leather neatly and avoid breaking your needle, here are some important tips to follow. First, let's talk about the presser foot. Use a Teflon foot or a roller foot. These help prevent the leather from sticking or dragging while you sew. And if you don't have any of these, you can lightly apply oil to the surface of the leather. So here is the Teflon foot. Use it while sewing leather. And if you don't have this, you can as well make use of your oil. Next, your needle choice is very, very important. Use a size 21, 23 or 25 needle, depending on the thickness of your leather. Also, remember to change your needle after every project or sooner if you sew very often. So here I have size 23 and size 21 leather. If you use any needle below this, you will end up changing your needle because the needle will not be able to penetrate the leather, which will lead to breaking of your needle. Thirdly, make sure you use the right thread. A strong thread like a yellow cone thread works best for sewing leather. So here we have the yellow cone thread. This is the yellow. It's specifically for leather or bag making. It's more durable and it's thicker or stronger than your black cone. This one is for fabric. It can break easily. So I won't advise you use this while sewing leather or bag. Another important setting is your tension. Increase your tension. Set it between 7 and 8 for better stitch formation. So that means that the tension or pressure this tension disc has on your thread will be increased whenever you are sewing leather. You should also increase your stitch length. In my previous video, I talked about the stitch length. So to know more about it, you can just go to my channel and watch that video on how to use a stitch regulator. So just set your stitch regulator between 7 and 8. Then for thick leather or you are doing top stitching, you keep it at 7. But for medium weight leather, you can use 8 for a neat finish. Next, always reduce your sewing speed whenever you are sewing leather. Just keep it at a speed you can control. Sewing slowly gives you better control and helps prevent mistakes. Also, never pin your leather. So don't use pin on your leather. Instead of using pin, you should use your peg or clip. Use your peg or your clip instead. Because pins leave hole. Pin holes are permanent, so always use clip instead of pin. Finally, avoid back stitching repeatedly in one spot. This can weaken the leather and cause it to tear. So this can make your leather to become weak and eventually ruin your work. Following these tips will help you achieve a neat and professional result when sewing leather. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Until our next class. Bye bye for now.